77 minus 12 times square root of 10 under square root. We have to simplify it, and that too no calculator is allowed. Now we know when a is under square root, it means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So if we have to remove the square root, we square it so that exponent is multiplied by 2, then this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So to remove this square root, we need to write these two numbers in terms of a plus minus b whole square, so that this whole square can remove the square root. Now 77 minus 12, we can write it as 2 times 6, and then square root of 10 as 5 times 2 under square root, then all under square root, or 77 minus 2 times 6. When a times b is under square root, we can also write it as square root of a times square root of b. So this we can write square root of 2 times square root of 5. Now there are two numbers. If we take 6 times square root of 2 as a, then a square will be 6 times square root of 2 whole square, or 6 times 6 times square root of 2 square. We remove the square root with the square. So 6 times 6 is 36, times 2 is 72. So a equals to 72. And if we consider square root of 5 as b, then b square equals to square root of 5 square, or it is equal to 5. So we have two numbers, 72 and 5. So 77 we can write it as 72 plus 5, then minus 2 times 6 times square root of 2 times square root of 5. Now 72 is 6 times square root of 2 square. So we can write it as 6 times square root of 2 square, 5 as square root of 5 square, minus 2 times 6 times square root of 2 times square root of 5, then under square root. Now it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is equal to a minus b whole square. So we can write it as 6 times square root of 2 minus square root of 5 whole square under square root. Now we can remove the square root with the square. So our answer is 6 times square root of 2 minus square root of 5. We can put the values of square root of 2 and square root of 5, but the question is only asking for simplification, so we can leave it here. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.